Well, do you guys remember this piece of crap? 2002 Saturn Vue? Well, I guess this is going to be an update and the final starting of it because it's getting relocated. We don't have the room for it. We have, right now, 9-10 cars at the shop, so it's got to go. Battery's pretty well toast on it, so I have the charger on it, but it's not taking a charge, so I'm going to put it on engine start. So I'll get the stink pipe on it, start it up, and then, well, we'll get a final showing of how it sounds. Well, the exhaust pipe is on, battery charge is on. Here's because I had 2 batteries here, because I did a battery battle to find one that would fit this thing. None of them would. Come on, how do you do this? Engine start, connected. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's see how she sounds and how she starts up. Nice, it starts right up. Really high idle again though, which is really odd. Whatever. Don't know if that's a good sound or a bad sound, but either way, it's not going to be staying here, so it doesn't matter. Sorry about that, my camera card got full. And it was going to be morning, so now that I've gotten this ready and it's warmed up, see how she sounds a little bit. Idle's dropped a little bit. You know what? I'll just show you the exhaust shot now. It's only a 2.2, but at least it is all-wheel drive, except the transmission's blown. Well, I think that's pretty well it for this. It's been here for about, would you say 2 years? Yeah, 2 years, and we just don't have the room for it, and it's an immobile vehicle, which we don't want, so if we can just get rid of it, send it off to another school that can use it, well, it'll be better for them too. Till next time, have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.